And details that are just trickling in of how the West Bengal governor has left from Bangla Bhavan. He has left for the President House, where he will be meeting President Draupadi Murmu. Of course, that is the most important meeting that is slated, as he will not just surprise the president of the collapsing law and order situation in West Bengal, but also the lack of safety of women. This that comes to light over how doctors have been protesting over the RG Kar case, but even the past record that has not been pleasing when it came to Sandesh Khali or Hooghly or Cooch Behar or North 24 Pargana. And another meeting that is slated is also to happen with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Health Minister JP Nadda. Let me cut across to Harsha, who's tracking all the developments. Harsha, we understand that the West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose has just left from the Bangla Bhavan. Take us through the details of where he's headed and what's on the agenda.
So, Swesha, the cavalcade we are following right now is the cavalcade of West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose, and right in front of us is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So, we can say that West Bengal Governor has left Bangla Bhavan and is about to reach Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President House, to meet President Draupadi Murmu. He earlier sought time with the President to tell and meet the President Draupadi Murmu about the entire incident, and actually to consult regarding what could be done to restore the safety of the women in the state of West Bengal, and to also apprise her about the entire situation of the law and order and about the recent situation what has taken place in the state of West Bengal, where the Kolkata doctor was raped and murdered. This is the cavalcade of West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose right in front of us. Yesterday also C.V. Ananda Bose, while leaving Raj Bhavan from Kolkata, clearly stated that he used the term degenerating, that how the law and order situation in the state of West Bengal is degenerating, and CM of West Bengal has completely failed to ensure the safety and protection of the women of the state. Not only RG Kar Medical Hospital incident, as Swesha you were pointing out, from Cooch Behar, North 24 Pargana, Basirhat, and also Sandesh Khali, which was lot in news from last 2 months continuously. All these incidents clearly state that how Mamata Banerjee right now is not able to protect and ensure the dignity and safety of the women of West Bengal, and that is the reason C.V. Ananda Bose, after meeting the doctors at RG Kar Medical Hospital, also ensured to all the doctors that he will go to Delhi, he will speak regarding how safety could be ensured and how tough laws could be made to ensure that the doctors are protected, women of the state are protected. And also opposition has continuously been demanding that there should be opposition has been demanding that CM Mamata Banerjee should resign from his chair. And right now we have reached Rashtrapati Bhavan. Swesha, these are the visuals. West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose has reached. Right now the visuals on our screen, he has reached the spot where he is all set to meet the president, and also what we are understanding is that he would also meet the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar as well. What we are learning right now, because this entire premises clearly state that there's not only the meeting which is going to happen of the president, but also the meeting could happen also with the Vice President. The entire cavalcade of C.V. Ananda Bose has went inside the premises. Today is a very important meeting, because back-to-back meeting of the West Bengal Governor with the JP Nadda, Amit Shah President, about the entire situation of RG Kar Medical University and Hospital will take place in national capital. The situation is very gruesome right now. All the doctors across the country, Swesha, are right now protesting. They are outraged, and the massive anger could clearly be seen. How they are angry that there are no stringent laws to ensure that the women are safe in the state of West Bengal. So these are the visuals as we see here, that the West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose has gone inside the premises, and will wait and watch exactly what is going to happen the entire day, how it will transpire, and what back-to-back meetings C.V. Ananda Bose, the Governor of West Bengal, will be holding in national capital, because at the end of the day he will be addressing the media here in national capital as well. Back to you, Swesha.
I understand, Harsha, you have been tracking the West Bengal governor. He has made his way inside. Extremely important day because in about an hour from now, actually less than that, the Supreme Court will be hearing the RG Kar case and what happened on that dreaded night. We understand that the CBI is investigating the case and this really calls for a larger procedure. Never before have we seen protests of this scale. In fact, the last it was during the Nirbhaya case and now during the Abhaya case, where there is a strong demand for stricter laws for rapists. And that is the very reason that we see how the West Bengal governor is taking the matter to the president. He will also be meeting the Union Home Minister and the Union Health Minister, as we could expect a larger change. Is that true, Harsha?
You rightly pointed out, Swesha, that a larger change is needed in the state of West Bengal, and that is the reason why doctors have also been demanding the Central Healthcare Protection Act, CPA. But now the major focus is, will CPA, how will the Central Protection Act and the ordinance will ensure that there is a law and order in the state of West Bengal as well, because a government hospital doesn't follow the Central Healthcare Protection Act. There's no safe zone, no CCTV cameras, multiple entry and exit points. And right now, doctors have clearly stated that there is no doctor's duty room as well. And this is the situation in most of the places in the state of West Bengal. So clear law and the stringent action has to be taken to ensure that the women are safe in the state of West Bengal. Right now, the situation is that everywhere from North 24 Pargana to South 24 towards the region of Mushirabad and wherever you see, the women are not feeling safe. Right now, you're watching Republic TV, the rolling coverage entire day on CV Ananda Post to National Capital, where he is meeting President, and Amit Shah Republic will be tracking. The rolling coverage will go on. Right now, time to slip into a short break.